Rule number 56. The adjectives dignus and indignus take the ablative case. In the last rule, number 55, I talked about the ablative of specification, or respect. Caesar writes about the Helvetians, cum virtute omnibus praestarent, since they surpassed everyone in their bravery. Our ablative of respect is virtute, since it shows the particular detail or aspect in which the Helvetians excel, their bravery. In this rule, I will show you that the adjective dignus and its opposite, indignus, take an ablative of respect too. So if I were to describe my daughter as worthy of her mother, she is, by the way, we would have filia mea matre digna, and we put the object of the worthy into the ablative. Horace writes about young men worthy of their father, juvenes patre digni, and the patre is our ablative. Cicero has a great phrase describing new friends as worthy of or deserving friendship. Amici novi digni amicitia. And here's one with indignus. Te omni honore indignissimum judicavit. He judged you to be entirely unworthy of every honor. Omni honore is our ablative. I said above that this is an ablative of respect, but there's some suggestion also that it's an ablative of price, rule number 54, since dignus can show worth, and so our ablative shows its value. This characteristic of the adjective dignus also is used with the deponent verb dignor, especially in poetry, where you deem the accusative worthy of the ablative. So from the Aeneid, haud tali me dignor honore, I certainly do not deem myself worthy of such an honor. You should also note that dignus and indignus can take a genitive. So Plautus describes someone as dignus salutis, worthy of safety, and this is perhaps a bit more familiar to how we deal with worthy in English. So I hope that this video has been deserving of your time with rule number 56. The adjectives dignus and indignus take the ablative case.